What's going on, guys? TreyMay10 here, back with February's mystery pack, and I'm excited. Our last mystery pack was pretty great. Fingers crossed this one's pretty great as well. Ooh. Alright, so we got 3 for the month of February, and let's go ahead and open up the first one. See what we got. We got a Season 2 Nerves of Steel number 362. Let me try and get some more light in here. And that one's got the Cowardly Lion. I think I might have this one. But yeah, on the inside, the yellow brick road with nerves of steel and some little mice. The little glass slipper, or the ruby slippers. On to the next one. And we got Black Bart from Season 2, number 1595. It says, 400 ships I plundered far and near, no pirate was more aggressive, nor instilled so much fear. Black Bart. On here we've got a pretty cool scene of him sword fighting on a ship, and then there's like a skeleton toasting a crewmate or something like that, and then on the inside it looks like a bit of like a pirate map, and it says Black Bart. That's a pretty cool one. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what number 3 brings us. A Whitestar, number 992, Bear With Me. It says, thanks for always being there to pick me up when I fall. That's cute. We got some nice, like, looks like a painting of a mama bear and her cub, with some mountains in the back. That's pretty cute. And then Bear With Me. It's got a tree for the bee. Aw. And then the little Whitestar. Awesome. Another exciting mystery pack. Heck yeah, guys. Woo! And so I would also like to give away this referral strap, Touch the Sky, number 505. With outstretched arms we soar towards the unimaginable. And on here we've got an awesome like moon, some triangular with some stars and an astronaut. And then the inside's kind of like the color palette with Touch the Sky. And the only way to get this strap is to have someone use your referral code, so if you'd like to win this strap, go ahead and leave a comment saying Touch the Sky, and leave a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed. And next Friday, which is the 6th of March, I will pick a winner from the comments randomly. Alright. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I hope to be uploading more regularly. So, stay tuned. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks. Bye.